Caufield, you're right there, bro. You're right there. I'm on watch. We on watch. The world's on watch. 50 goals to all my Spanish people, mamacitas, all my hermanos. 50. Por favor. Regardless of this is going to be a good game. Y'all know that for sure, man. Sorry, it's been a little late today, man. I've been laid up, man, but I'm back. I'm good. I'm good now. Lightning versus the Habs.
As well, opening face-off, sponsored by
Sir, yes, sir, baby. Let's lock in, yes, sir.
Kucherov is out there, and that puck catches the netting.
Okay.
Coming off the bat, Brian, we get a whistle.
Oh, boy, kick the feet up. Oh, that was too far. Yeah.
Rolls in on Vasilevsky.
Wait, let me get the, I don't want it to be screaming at me. Get the volume right there. All right. So
Centering a 10 from the corner from Caufield and Vasilevsky.
Caufield. He's like, let me get it now. He's like, let me get it out the way, baby. Yeah.
That's Cole Caufield for you.
Yeah.
Hudson resets it and gets it back. Their superstar young defenseman.
Yeah, Tampa Bay, y'all gonna get hurt. Look at this.
In over the line.
Caufield.
Ooh.
Ooh, that was a pass.
Hudson, Slavkovsky.
Yeah, Tampa Bay playing too aggressive, man.
Save, rebound.
Oh, in the face. Yeah, that's a power play. They called it. Suzuki. You know what Caufield at. Yes, sir.
First unit back out there. The first
yep.
liner has expired. Here's
Slav.
Bounces out in front.
Oh shit, where you go? Yeah, he tried to chop that in.
That's one of those ones where you're waiting for it to settle if you're
a
defender trying to get it out efficiently, and the offensive guys.
Yeah, they real Tampa Bay. They play that smothering defense, boy. Look at them. Can we cross the blue line here? That's where y'all gonna get hurt at. Watch. It's gonna happen sooner or later. Caufield gonna take like 100 shots this game.
What I'm talking about. They really create a lot of stuff. That was an outstanding chance. I think Vassy got a piece of it.
Got a little bit of that.
On the short side. But here's the last one.
Yep.
Getting over on that side.
If he had enough of time and enough of room, he would have had bounce left. Damn. All over my boy in the wall. Look at that. You see they Dobich, I see you, baby. Oh no. But that's your identity, Tampa Bay. Look at y'all. You're so good. Come on, Grants. Granson, what are we doing? Point. And Tampa Bay got a good team. I love their lineup too as well. Oh, it hit the post. He's on his.
Boy, ain't no way, bro. Boy, ain't no way.
Wow.
The match has been lit.
That was that was crazy, right? All right, here we go. Second period. A lot of rooms to go. Ain't nobody never bought no room to go. Oh, shoot.
It doesn't mean
Prince.
when you get a chance at the net that you should be shy. And I don't want to see him defer and overpassing the puck.
All right, get it out there.
He knows what to do.
Let's get. Oh, okay. You saw him. Suzuki. We got Caufield. You got Caufield. That's it, baby. That's it, Caufield. That's it. That's it. Caufield. That's 50. You just saw that. That was easy. With Suzuki and Caufield out on a run? Yeah, it's cash. 50. Fucking 50. Caufield, we got to celebrate real quick, man. Real quick, man. 50. What up, baby? Yeah. I had to bring you out. Yeah, he did. Yeah, damn. I see. Let's go. Oh, you see him. We gotta pour one up. Not. I'm just gonna go half a shot. Oh, you see him. Caufield, big 50, man. Oh, you see him. Let's go. You made me a fan of you, because you're just a happy guy, man. Let's go. That's an accomplishment. That's an accomplishment, baby. All right. Oh, what a save. What a save. What happened here? They're not looking at the right. Wow. Look at Texie ain't trying to get. Oh, how? That's a goal right there.
That happened Monday at Buffalo. In front is Perry, and he can get his stick on that.
Perry move.
Taken away by Hudson for a short-handed break. Instead, it's a
break it down. Cap to new hook. Oh.
A broken play ended up with a great chance.
I like the second unit here.
Didn't see that coming. Didn't see
oh, we're gonna have something. We're gonna have a scrap.
We'll have to watch what happens now.
Yeah, we're gonna have a.
Carlisle wants a piece of Anderson. There's a
yeah.
call coming up.
There's a penalty. Oh, here we go. I knew it. While we still trying to play the game, bro. Oh, he's whooping them. Oh my God, Anderson. Oh my, he putting the whooping. Just drop him. Yeah, he whooped them. Break it up.
He's out of his league. Absolutely.
Oh my God.
So the puck comes off his foot.
He had enough of him.
As soon as Kucherov came out, Marty St. Louis put Anderson right back out again. So when he ran into him again, they're neutral.
Yeah, right in the middle, they had enough.
Okay, enough of that.
Yeah.
So he took on a guy who's big and has been around the block.
Yeah, been around the league too long. Yeah.
Carlisle did a good job.
Yeah.
A disadvantage early on.
He didn't stand a chance there.
Expect what to get from Anderson.
Hmm?
So, yeah, he get hit in the back of the head or whatever, 4, 5, 6 times, whatever.
Scrappy game, yeah.
Chip to the point to the net.
Point, nah. Oh, here we go again. Yeah, he could have did. You shouldn't have did that. Yeah, they didn't care. You can't drive into him like that on an angle like that, bro. That's why they're getting into it.
Okay, so he's protecting it.
Oh, he like he slowed down. He slowed down. He slowed down.
Really shows you.
But the way this game been,
he didn't just continue on.
Yeah, it's not blatant.
That one doesn't show it, but there shows you the collision.
But it's the point that he ran into. What are we watching? Cause somebody tell me what.
The brakes are on there.
Yeah, he couldn't even get up before they whooped him.
He had enough room.
Look at them choking him. Look at Kucherov around like. Yeah, this is crazy.
Third period face-off sponsored by Rooms to Go.
Oh my. So. Jack-Eye, stop. Okay. Puck in the air. They don't even know where the puck at. He didn't know where the puck was at. That's a good save, Vass.
That was one of the weirdest plays I've seen in a while.
Yep, got it back. You got the front of the net. Oh my God! It looked like he got shot with a gun and he just took it. Look at this. He was like, third. Oh shit. 3-on-1. He took it himself, but you got help. You got to get the rebound. Nah. He shot that early for a rebound attempt. Took away the pass.
Vasilevsky is able to commit to the shooter. Suzuki is a good shooter. But
yep.
He's able to come out to the top.
Over the board there for point.
There we go. Radish. 5 minutes left. Oh.
Went off the blocker.
Yes, sir. Perry tried to. Ooh.
Here's the play.
Ooh. Oh, it's empty net.
Perry into the corner, Kucherov puts it across.
No.
Stepping in was Destu. There was Anderson.
Jesus, look at that.
Destu in a puck battle.
Y'all better chill on Anderson.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Unbelievable.
Good work in the corner, top of your screen.
Yep.
That frees it up. See how many Montreal Canadiens are over on
Yeah, they're all over the edge. Don't worry about them in the corner. Look at this. And come downhill and just, yep.
That's what it's about.
Yeah, but he's coming. Boom.
Pretty good position.
Set it up.
Jeez. On a platter for Radek.
2 big points on the line.
There we go.
Between these two,
a minute left.
Pace with Buffalo and maybe a shot at top spot in the Atlantic Division.
Oh. Oh my God, Slav. Oh, just like that. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
And it costs them ultimately. They go back around with it.
Oh, you got caught up. You got caught up. Y'all behind there playing with the puck. Look at this. Oh, he got a stick on there. Beautiful. And look at Slav. Slav was just like, he's like, Slavkov's beautiful timing. Yeah, he couldn't get there in time. That's game. That's it. There. They did it. For sure, I thought they was going to go into overtime, but I guess not. Congratulations to that boy, Caufield. 50 on the year. You did it, brother. Keep doing your thing, man. Playoffs. We'll see.